Muthenya umwe tu thutha wa kamiti ya ithurano mihaka IEBC gutafania giikaro kia hamwe kia nyiti itemi guthurima uria ithurano nini iria ciiriga ciatafanirio, atongoria mung'ethaniro ni mathiete na mbere gukirira kamiti iyo makiuga ni irahuthirwo ni thirikari. Kuringana na mutongoria wa kiama kia Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka, riu atongoria mung'ethaniro ni meguthitanga kamiti iyo ari ni hamwe na makamishina ayo ta mundu kiumbe ni undu wa mahitia maria mekekire ithurano-ini icio.
IEBC, we know as it is a Ruto commission. We tell them we are going even for private prosecution because yale yalifanyika hapa mbele na Malava criminal. The chairman first of all anakilia mtu ambaye is not even amekuwa mulagai kwa majina yake hajulikani. They don't know the man who won in Bere jina lake ni lipi. Therefore the IEBC chair is culpable. You don't clear a fellow like that. Hiyo ni fraud. Na ikiwa ni fraud, we will go for private prosecution.
Kalonzo ni athiete na mbere kuga thirikari ni itirikite muingi wa bururi na riu irongoreirie kuguna andu kiumbe kugerera wendia wa indo cia muingi na njira cia Google.
Hustler nation, you wanted to do, alafu unaibia hata wananchi wako. This is a nation ambayo inaporwa sasa hivi. And men and women of conscience cannot just wait and see it. Munaona shirika kama Safaricom linauzwa at a throwaway price na wanajiuzia wao wenyewe.
Oho ni mareganite na miario iria ikoretwo ikirekererio ni mwena wa thirikari ati ni marahunjia uteti wa kugayania muingi na mithingi ya kinduriri, makiuga ciama iria ciumbite ngwataniro ya mung'ethaniro iri na arumiriri kuma guothe bururi-ini.
It is not possible to divide the united opposition. What is binding us together is really not political rhetoric. It is the love of this nation and our commitment to make sure that these young ones, the next generation, hawatauawa tu kiholela na kupigwa risasi kwa miguu na kuambiwa mambo kama haya hatutakubali. We have put an end.
Handu-ini hake mutongoria wa kiama kia DCP Rigathi wa Gachagua ni athiete na mbere kuga thirikari ni yari na mubango wa kugayania muingi wa bururi na makiria gitaro kia Mount Kenya niguo yone mweke githurano-ini giukite kia mwaka wa 2027 undu uria ehitite ndungihanika.
This election that is coming, I want to assure you, Dr. Kalonzo Musyoka, Eugene Wamalwa, take it from me, speaking from the mountain. Hii kura ya mulima itaenda kikapu moja. One. Kama kuna mtu atataka kusimamisha hapa Murang'a, atapata kura 15,000. Si ndio? Akisimamisha mtu hapa Kirinyaga, apata 8,000. Akisimamisha mwingine, ile watu yote Ruto watasimamisha, tukijumisha hao tutawapatia 50,000.
Atongoria mekwaragia hindi igongona ria mathiko kaunti-ini ya Murang'a mamutigaire Herbert Kareithi uria ni muthuri wa Palegia Muthoni uria ni murugamiriri wa ward kaunti-ini ya Murang'a na ni agwetirwo ni andu a nyumba yake hamwe na arata ta mundu urerutire na njira nene kwagirithia miturire ya aria angi. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV njitagwo Njoroge wa Kimani.